This is a SkyWatcher Skymax 150mm Maksutov telescope. It's around 7 kilograms with diagonal eyepiece and finder. This finder I've added on my own, and it's a right angle finder, so easy to look at. But the problem with this telescope, and everywhere I have seen, is that they say that it needs a very robust, heavier mount like EQ5 or above. I read in one of the astronomy forums that actually you can use the tripod for a Skywatcher flextube Dobsonian mount. I'll show you the telescope itself, the box of it. You will remember. That's the telescope I'm referring to. And for the International Year of Astronomy 2009, a special edition. This Dobsonian mount here that you can see at the center is the one I'm using. I must say it looks quite impressive on this mount. And the only worry is that will it actually take a long time to dampen the vibrations that happen when you touch the telescope or a mount, or can it do it quick enough in under 4 seconds, sorry. Okay, as you can see, I can turn the mount, I can move the tube up and down. It's quite a heavy beast. It's beautiful. And yeah, I may have found the solution for this, the mount of this telescope. The thing is that when you have a telescope, a heavy weight, anything, at a height, that introduces vibration naturally. So if you get it lower, the vibration will be reduced. The height of it is less. So let's hope that this will work. Okay, this is the eyepiece that came with this telescope. It's lightweight, but it's 2-inch. So the good thing about this also is that this is 2-inch, the barrel and the diagonal. So let me install it and see how it is. The eyepiece is lightweight. This one is lightweight. I have heavier than that, with half a kilo or more. So it's better to use a lightweight one just to see how it is. Okay, I've now installed the eyepiece. And of course I have to remove the lens cap, the front cap. You can take a look here. The telescope is not balanced at this stage, so I'm going now to move it along so as to make it a little bit balanced. Okay, the eyepiece added some weight to it, so I had to balance it. I moved it slightly toward this direction, so the weight in this direction will be equal to the weight this direction. That's the fulcrum. The center of the gravity, you can call it also. And hopefully that will stay, so I can move it up and down and to the left and right. So let me target something. Okay, I've now installed my Maxvision 68 degrees 34mm eyepiece. Has a very wide viewing angle. I was really impressed with the image quality on this one. I'm holding the camera. I'm looking forward. That shows the difference between a cheap eyepiece and a good quality eyepiece. So I think I will use the Maxvision with this. It goes better. It gives a better result. Looks heavier. Adds at least half a kilo to the weight. But what the heck? That's a good telescope. Needs good eyepiece. The telescope is as good as its eyepiece and mount and optical and collimation and everything else. It's a mad hobby.